Okay, so this evening we got the cabinet doors on for the uppers and the cabinet doors on for the lowers. And they are the soft close. I can't see them right now. And they go. And then they close. Okay, they're adjustable, so we can adjust them where they close faster or whatever, but I like them this way because that way I can just like run around the bus. Or when we start the bus up and we're going somewhere, we're like, we can't leave yet because the cabinet doors aren't shut. So, but we got that done this evening, and some cleanup in here. It's getting kind of messy and full. We're gonna do some priming and painting, some trim. So we'll do the window casing around here. We're gonna do a little windowsill, and then we'll get the trim. We'll do all our windows and stuff. So we'll get it, and then another day or two, I'll grout the fireplace area. That way, it can be done, and then we can do the floor in here once the grouting's done for that, because I'm not the best at it and it's kind of messy. So, and then we still got our outlets, a few outlets we still need to do, a couple over there. We can put some switches in now that the walls are done. We got upper cabinet lights that go in here. So we got to finish the bottom of this, we'll paint it, and then we'll put the lights in. They're just some kind of LED thing. But that's it for this evening.